Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. So I wanted to pop on here to share with you some new affordable planners that I have recently came across. So if you guys want to check out this video, then keep on watching. So hey there, I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, and keeping things fun and functional here on my planner channel. Welcome. So today I quickly wanted to share with you this little planner find. Now, I did stumble across in my YouTube feed, I will try to put their name in the video, but I recently saw them talk about how they found these cute little passport planners at Big Lots, and I haven't shopped at Big Lots in forever. I mean, forever. And we actually only have one close to us, so I did check it out right after an errand, and I had no luck. But we took a trip out and about, and we got some Dutch Bros, and across the street I noticed there was a Big Lots. So I was like, let me just go in and run in, and I found them. So thanks to those two YouTube channels for putting their video and for these finds, because I was super excited to come across these items. So this is Carpe Diem, which I believe is a UK brand. I haven't used Carpe Diem, or I don't think at all. I may have one rings planner by them. And by the way, they did not just have the passports. I didn't get any footage of the rings planner, but they do have like a rings planner. But yeah, I haven't really used Carpe Diem. I think back in the past, maybe it was like scrapbooking too. So I might have used some of their paper, but yeah, I haven't really used them in my stash. But I was able to pick up the notebooks. It's like a passport holder. It's really, really tiny, because I will be sharing more planners that I have found that are on the affordable end that I may end up, changing into or transitioning into for 2025. So they had posted they had found these passport holders. There's different ones. I did get footage of the different designs that they had, so I'll insert a clip. So the two that I found, well, not that I found four of them, but I really wanted these two. I really like this one for the fall, the buffalo check, but I really love the blue color for like summer or just spring, so kind of transitioning into both. But this one has like a feather design in the inside, which I'm not really a fan of, and you'll notice in the clip that I share one that just has this design on the outside. I was actually looking, there was actually another one that was blush pink that I was thinking about getting, but I really do like the blue than the pink. And did these have a name on them? Oh, sky blue. So this one's sky blue, and this one is the buffalo checker, and they were both $4.99. So I was just really happy because I had no luck in my area. I only had one Big Lot, so I was like, oh no, yeah, that's not probably gonna happen for me in my area. You guys mention to me all the time when I find things and share in my hauls that I could get it at TJ Maxx or Ross and stuff. Not in my area, OC. No, I have no luck. I don't know, we don't have good shipment, or it's just gone before we can even get to it. Maybe there's just not enough quantity, but my stores aren't that great. So I was lucky enough though to be in an area for like a little family road trip and stumbled upon these. And then I was also able to find these. I don't know if they had these in their video, but I actually just saw these and I was like, oh, the little notebooks. They look like they go with the little passport. So you could see I should give you guys a size comparison, because it's really hard to tell in the videos, especially when you see it in person. So this is my little petite Erin Condren A5. This is small. This is supposed to be a A6 size, but I feel like this is a little bit smaller, so definitely more of a pocket, not really a pocket size. Pockets are a lot smaller than this. I guess an A6 size. It says A6, but I'm just letting you know this is really small. So this is my A5 petite planner. And yeah, so this little thing comes with 4 note booklets that's supposed to, I think, pair with the little passport because it's like a TN. So you have your planner, which this was one of the designs, but it was blush pink on the outside of the little pocket passport holder. So this is your planner, and it's a weekly view. The paper's not the best. It's paper that you expect in, like, I guess a day designer, or just, you know, planners that you would get at your local Target or Walmart. It's really thin paper, but it's undated, weekly little planner, and you have notes here at the bottom. I only saw 1 pack. I probably would have picked up more if I saw that they had extras, but they didn't, so this is all I could get. Then we have aligned. We have a dot grid. Of course, if I use this, I would only get 1 year out of this. And then blank. This was another cover that they had for the little passport holders. Yeah, so you got 4 little notebooks to get you started, and one of these passports for $1.99. I did upload a reel, so you guys will see double if you saw my reel, but this is just more in depth of a review and clips of what else I saw in store. And then I'm also bugged that when I upload a short, I always forget that I had to pick a great photo because you can't really change your thumbnail photos on shorts. I mean, if you guys know, leave it in the comments, but I try to look it up and you can't. Anywho, so this is what the little passport looks like. I love this color blue. It's like a little TN. It's really flexible. It's nothing, you know, luxury. It's not like a Moterm, which I don't have one of those, but I do have a print impression, and that one's like faux leather, but it's a lot thicker. This is not thin, but it's just not your best quality, I guess. It doesn't bug me. That's why when I saw the video review about these, I was like, ooh, those are cute. You know, these are great for just on the go, stick it in your purse. So I didn't really care about the quality part. I mean, it's really flexible, but just to let you guys know, it only has 2 bands. Has a little pocket here, and then the little slide pockets on the side, and it does have a pen holder there. So now that I'm thinking about it, you can only get 2 in here, so you would put your weekly and then whatever you prefer for notebook, which is line or dot grid. But I've also been seeing around Instagram putting little pin and gear like notebooks, and that actually fits in here. I just don't know where it is. So you could put a little notebook, a smaller notebook in here, like maybe one from the dollar store or something. But that's just an idea, and that's something I'm kind of transitioning in, and something that has inspired me is like going smaller. For me personally, in the season of life, I don't need a planner to plan all the things. So I just think this is a good option for me, and I'm gonna play with this a little bit. Mainly this one, because we're rolling into more of the fall and holidays, so I think I'm going towards this one. I'm gonna save this one. So that's sky blue. It's really, really, really pretty. I'm just not a huge fan of the feathers. I think I would have loved like the inside of like this striped, or maybe the pink gingham. Not the florals. I'm not a floral person, or I probably would have liked the hearts. So it comes in this cute little box. So I could save this and just put this on my bookshelf. It's a good sturdy box. Okay. Then we have this one, the buffalo check. I'm glad they had this one because, again, this is a cute one for the fall or Christmas. This would be a cute little Christmas or holiday planner. It's so cute. And I have like a little backpack. I can stick this in my purse. Well, that's what I have now. I do change my purses out a lot. And the inside is the best. It's like cute speckles of black and white. It's just so cute. This is my favorite. Little pocket here, of course the flaps, and then the little pin loop. But let me see if I can find the little journal that I have. Okay, so I have picked these up from, well, they're both from Walmart. They're Pen and Gear. This is the mini composition notebooks. So I'm not going to open it just yet, but I'm assuming that you could put those in here, like the little flap. What I've been seeing around Instagram, the inspiration. But I was like, oh, I would like to do that. So I was like, that would fit in here perfectly. So yeah, there you go. It fits in here perfectly. And you can still use it as a TN here. So I love that. Again, I'll put the Instagram handle or the YouTube channels that I saw the inspiration for all this, because I want to give them credit, obviously. But yeah, so cute and exciting. So just a little sneak peek, because I want to make this haul really short so you guys can check out my next video, because it's all in one, but it's just better to see these in one video as a review. But I also have the daily undated planners from Pen and Gear at Walmart. So this is another thing that I thought I could play with. I saw this in Walmart and I debated on whether if I should get it or not, because I do use a daily, but I didn't realize how small these were. I was like, well, what would I put this in? What do I have? I have a Prussian. This one's really tiny, but it's a ring system. But I do, oops, upside down. I do have a pocket here. It's a double pocket that I thought I could fit in here. I took this to Walmart with me. I was like, could this fit? Because I saw these and I was like, I don't know if, like, I don't want to lose it, and what would I put it in? Because I don't have any Moturns or pocket planners. The only small planner I have is this one here from Prussian, which I don't know. I think he had a huge warehouse sale and he got rid of things, and then he may be coming back is what I've seen on Instagram, but I'm not sure. You guys would have to follow him on Instagram. But you can see the size difference. It's a little wider, but I like that it has a rings, because I was like, I could utilize both. I could use the rings. I bought these. These are separate. I bought these on Etsy a long time ago. I think it was So Much Crafting is what her shop was called. It's like a daily list thing, but I went back to Walmart, just showing you guys a brief clip, because I want to do this review separate. So I thought I could put that in here, or I could put that in this one, because I'm a daily user and I was thinking about using something different. This would be really cute to have on the go. Maybe definitely something separate for like meal planning or couponing. You can put your coupons in here so that you don't forget. Make a little list here, and then add a little personal notebook for food logging or recipes or something. I don't know, I just think it would be cute. This is not something you should pass up on. If you have a Big Lots, go check it out. Don't miss on this. It's just such a great deal, and I'm happy that they had other designs. So I hope that you guys find them. That is my quick little review on my current planner finds and some of my thoughts, and thank you to those who posted their video. So I hope you guys are able to find these. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you on the next video. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye!